Hey everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, I want to talk to you about something that's very close to my heart. It's a topic that affects all of us at some point in our lives, and that's eye health. Have you ever had a headache or felt your eyes get tired after a long day at work or school, staring at a computer screen or your phone? If so, you're not alone. In today's world, our eyes are subjected to more strain and stress than ever before, and it's essential that we take good care of them. But, you might be wondering, how can I improve my eye health? Well, I've got some great news for you. It turns out that there are certain foods that are recognized all over the world for their ability to improve and maintain good eye health. And today, I want to share those with you. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the 9 best foods to improve your vision and restore your eye health. 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are some of the most nutrient-rich foods out there, and they're particularly good for your eyes. These greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential for maintaining good eye health. Vitamin A helps prevent night blindness and other eye problems, while vitamins C and E protect your eyes from damage caused by harmful UV rays. 2. Carrots. If you grew up hearing that carrots are good for your eyes, it's true. Carrots are a rich source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. As I mentioned before, vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good vision and preventing eye problems like night blindness. 3. Fish. Do you like fish? I sure do. Fish like salmon, tuna, and other fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. These fatty acids are also beneficial for your overall health and can help lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds are not only delicious, but they're also good for your eyes. These nuts and seeds are good sources of vitamin E, which can protect your eyes from damage caused by harmful UV rays. They're also a great source of protein and healthy fats, making them a great snack for any time of day. 5. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, but did you know that they're also great for your eyes? Eggs are a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients that are essential for maintaining good eye health. These nutrients are particularly important for the health of the retina and macula, the part of the eye that is responsible for central vision. 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only a tasty side dish, but they're also good for your eyes. Sweet potatoes are a good source of vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining good vision and preventing eye problems like night blindness. Plus, they're a great source of fiber and other vitamins and minerals, making them a great addition to your diet. 7. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only delicious, but they're also great for your eyes. These berries are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants help keep your cells healthy, and they're especially important for the delicate cells in your eyes. Berries are also a good source of vitamins C and E, which are essential for maintaining good eye health. 8. Bell peppers. Bell peppers come in a variety of colors and they're all good for your eyes. Red, yellow, and green bell peppers are all rich in vitamins A and C, which are essential for maintaining good vision and preventing eye problems like night blindness. These peppers are also a great source of fiber and other vitamins and minerals, making them a great addition to your diet. 9. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are not only delicious, but they're also great for your eyes. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining good eye health. Vitamin C helps protect your eyes from damage caused by harmful UV rays, and it's also important for the health of your blood vessels, which are crucial for good eye health. So, there you have it, folks. These are the 9 best foods to improve your eye health, recognized all over the world. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you'll be taking a big step towards maintaining good vision and restoring your eye health. I hope this information has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.